Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to another episode of English Learning, where we grow together, not only in English, but also in life. I'm so glad you're here. Today's episode is called When You Feel Like Giving Up. Listen to this. Maybe today feels heavy. Maybe you're tired of trying to study, to work, to stay positive, or to improve your English. We've all been there. But the fact that you pressed play today means one thing. You haven't given up yet. And that means there's still strength inside you, even if it's small, even if it's quiet. In this episode, we'll talk about what to do when you feel like giving up, how to handle that feeling, and how to turn it into new energy. You'll learn emotional vocabulary, useful phrases, and simple English expressions that you can use in real life. So sit back, relax, or maybe go for a walk. And let's talk about hope, courage, and the small steps that can change everything. Let's be honest. Sometimes life just feels too much. Too many problems. Too many expectations. Too many things going wrong. When that happens, it's easy to say, I can't do this anymore. I'm not good enough. It's just not working. But let's stop for a moment. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. You see, those thoughts, they are not the truth. They're just feelings. And feelings are temporary. They come, they stay for a while, and then they go. When you feel like giving up, you're not weak, you're human. Every dreamer, every learner, every person who ever succeeded has felt the same. Think about Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. He failed hundreds of times. People laughed at him, but every time he failed, he said, I didn't fail. I just found another way that didn't work. Or think about J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. She was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally said yes. 12 times people said no, but she didn't give up. And now, millions of people read her stories in English. Maybe even you. Here's the truth. The difference between people who succeed and people who give up is not talent. It's persistence, the ability to keep going, even when it's hard. Let's talk about this word, persistence. It means not stopping even when something is difficult. In simple words, keep trying again and again. Let me tell you a small story. A few years ago, I had a student named Anna. She wanted to learn English to work in another country. At first, she was very motivated. She studied every day, but after a few months, she felt tired. She said, I can understand some words, but I still can't speak well. Maybe English isn't for me. I told her, Anna, the moment you feel like giving up is usually the moment before things start getting better. She smiled, but she didn't really believe it. Still, she decided to keep going. Slowly, one lesson a day. 6 months later, she sent me a message. She got a job interview. In English, she was nervous, but she did it. And she got the job. You see, success doesn't come from big jumps. It comes from small steps taken every single day, especially on the days you want to stop. So if you're listening right now and thinking, I'm tired, I can't continue, I want you to remember this. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do one small thing today. That's enough. Even listening to this episode right now, that's progress. Now let's learn some useful English phrases related to this topic. These are expressions you can use when life feels hard or when you want to encourage someone else. 1. Don't give up. It means keep trying, don't stop. Example: I know English is difficult, but don't give up. Now repeat after me. Don't give up. Take it one step at a time. It means do things slowly, one by one. Example: you don't have to be perfect. Just take it one step at a time. Now repeat after me. Take it one step at a time. You've got this. This means you can do it. I believe in you. Example: your exam is tomorrow, but you've got this. Now repeat after me. You've got this. It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Meaning, you can take a break, but don't stop completely. Example: feeling tired? It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Now repeat after me. It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Every mistake is a lesson, meaning you learn something from every failure. Example: don't be sad about your mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Now repeat after me. Every mistake is a lesson. Now, say all 5 phrases together with me. Don't give up. Take it one step at a time. You've got this. It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Every mistake is a lesson. Beautiful. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about how you can use this lesson in your daily life and in your English journey. Next time you feel tired, don't think, I failed. Instead, say, I'm learning. If you miss a study day, don't punish yourself. Just continue the next day. That's how you build habit. Try this small exercise. Tonight, write one sentence in your diary in English. Write about something small that you achieved today, even if it's just I listened to a podcast in English. Because that's what real progress looks like. Small steps that add up over time. Another idea. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Yes, really, look at yourself and say, I'm doing my best. I'm getting better every day. This simple act builds confidence and trains your brain to believe in yourself. Also, surround yourself with positivity. Follow English creators who motivate you. Watch movies or listen to podcasts that make you feel inspired. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Your journey is your own. And when life feels heavy, remember this phrase: I can rest, but I will not stop. Because sometimes rest is not failure, it's recharging. So, my friend, what did we learn today? We learned that everyone, even strong people, sometimes feel like giving up. But the difference between stopping and succeeding is persistence. We learned 5 helpful English phrases. Don't give up. Take it one step at a time. You've got this. It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Every mistake is a lesson. And we learned that small steps, taken with patience, create big change. So if you're having a hard day, remember, you are not alone. You are learning, growing, and becoming stronger every single day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Your English, your dreams, your life. They're all getting better, one step at a time. Thank you for listening to English Learning. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who needs a little hope today. And as always, you're doing amazing. Keep going. I'll see you in the next episode. Herb.